Putting an entire vehicle together is really about balance. You can always go further in certain areas, but if you do, then other things could suffer. So we started working on the new Volt more than 4 years ago, almost as soon as the first generation Volt was launched. We're actually building it, both first in just math data or virtually building it, and then we're building the real thing and we're testing it.
When the Volt was conceived, it was conceived to be a car that could satisfy any owner's needs. Chevrolet created a new segment of vehicle that allows people to adopt an EV with no compromise. And the data from our owners in Generation 1 shows exactly that. So where do we go in Generation 2? Customers tell us they love range, and so we want to give them more range. So we worked around every system of the car to make it more efficient. And we worked inside the battery pack. We have an all-new battery cell. It delivers us 20% more energy by volume. And in the end, the battery ends up weighing less than it does in the Generation 1 Volt.
So we spend a lot of time working on that entire flow of energy from the battery into the drive unit all the way to the ground and making sure that each of those different pieces is as efficient as it can be. With the new Volt, we'll be able to go up to 50 miles fully electrically, which is a big improvement over the first generation Volt. The great thing about being a part of a company that's got a 100-year history of developing great automobiles is you get all of that learning when you're doing something new. So our owners really get the great benefit of automotive experience in engineering and design, and then on top of it, they get the new technology that comes with electric vehicles.
I truly believe the Volt is going to be iconic in the history of electric vehicles. You know, electric vehicles have been around for a long time. And at adoption of electric vehicles, I think you're going to see an inflection point at the time when the Volt was introduced. Its place in history will be well defined.